Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z can't even last through a meeting, you're not alone. This usually happens due to a worn-out battery, which is common in laptops after prolonged use. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to further complications, such as unexpected shutdowns and potential data loss. Let's take a look at how to replace that battery. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new compatible battery for your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as it could damage the casing. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component connected by several cables. Disconnect these cables gently, ensuring you do not pull on them too hard as this can cause damage. Next, remove the screws that secure the battery in place, noting their positions as you will need to replace them with the new battery. Carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the new battery in place and reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly connected. Before closing the back panel, power on your device to check that the new battery is recognized and functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed the new battery is working, carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, give your laptop a gentle shake to ensure everything is tightly secured and there are no loose components. To prevent this battery issue from recurring, try to avoid letting your laptop completely drain its battery frequently. Regularly calibrating your battery and keeping your device away from extreme temperatures can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.